Hello guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel Harry Viral. So today I will show you how to remove saved Instagram and Facebook account passwords from your Google Chrome browser. So if you log in your Instagram or Facebook via this Chrome browser, sometimes this Google Smart Lock will ask for your confirmation to save your passwords. So at that time, if you give the password save permission, it will automatically store from your Chrome browser, and this is not safe one. So anyway, if you like to remove this save password, so follow me friends. So let's go to our tutorial. First of all, open your Google Chrome web browser. Now in this home section, you can press that vertical 3 dots icon and then go to settings, and here you will see the options called passwords. So click on that, and here is the list of your saved password, and this is my all saved password. So if I want to remove my password, then I will click from here, and then you can see here, if I enable this, you can see the password. So here it will say to verify it's your password or not. So if I verify, you can see my passwords. So in this way, and here is the options called delete. So you can delete one by one as you require, and then don't forget to enable this one, save passwords and auto sign in. Disable this, and then you can log into your web browser, and it will not save your passwords. So anyway, I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel to get daily updates, and thank you for watching this video.